Alright guys, today I am unboxing this Ninja air fryer. This was on sale at Costco. So check this out, 75% less fat, super fast airflow, easy to clean. And it has all these other options. You can dehydrate, which is actually kind of cool. But let's open this up and see how well it works here. Here's the side of it. This thing's pretty big actually. Like the box it comes with is pretty big. Surprisingly, this thing only holds like 3.8 liters, but the box is huge. Alright, let's open this up. Alright, here we go guys, we're opening it up. So this is what it comes with. It says, oh, got it on the wrong side here. You guys. There we go, Ninja Air Fryer 101. 3 minutes to preheat. There's a crisper plate, and then you got tongs that come with it. Alright. Instruction manual, we're not gonna read that. Alright. That's just kidding guys, you always should read the instruction manual. Alright. Oh, this thing's pretty big. I'm actually quite surprised. It's almost the size of an Instant Pot, if you guys want to know. And actually it's quite heavy. Let me get this out of the box. Alright, so I got it out of the box. You guys, like, it's huge. This thing is the size of an Instant Pot, guys. Like, I would say even, like, the largest Instant Pot you find, like the 10 quart or the 8 quart one, that's the size of this thing. Alright, let's open this up. Okay, so what do we got? Okay, so the front is right here. It says Ninja Fryer. You got your buttons. It says roast on focus camera here. So it says roast. You got dehydrate button. You got a reheat button, air fry, and roast on. I don't know what play button. What's a play button for? But this thing opens up. That's where you put your food. It's got taped on. You can remove that. Remove this other side. Let's see how big this little latch is. Oh wow! Check this out. So it has the deep frying extra piece right here, so you can actually store more and dehydrate more. Cardboard to insert, push crisper plate straight until it drops down. To remove crisper plate. All right. Ooh, okay, so this is the 3.8 liters. It's actually quite big. Like, it will hold a fair amount in here. So there is bigger size ones too, but this is actually pretty big, and it does have a nice click function. 8, and you'll see here, hot surface. Yeah, this thing's pretty big, kind of decent. What's this top part do? I don't know. Do not block air vents. All right. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. It only comes with this little thing here, and I thought it'd be a little bit more that comes with it. Let me see here on the box. Oh, it doesn't even come with the tongs. Oh, that's kind of disappointing. But it does come with that air plate. Tongs are separate, I guess. So, but yeah, that's about it, guys. So definitely check it out. I'm gonna do some couple of recipes and stuff to try out on this thing, and I'll let you know if it turns out really well or not. All right, stay tuned for more videos, guys. Remember, subscribe to the channel, thumbs up the video, and we'll see you guys. So I got this air fryer ready to go. I got these. These are golden fillets, Gardein veggie fish fillets. They're actually really good. I did a review of this a while back. In the oven, I cooked this. So I'm really curious if this air fryer does the job or even a better job than what the oven would do. So if you look at the ingredients here, you guys can take a look. It's got the omega-3s, all that stuff, but it is vegan, and it is made of, what does it say right there? Water. It's got oil already in there, soy protein. So it already has the canola oil, so I'm not gonna add anything to it, but let me check the temperature. It says oven conventional about 425 for about 10-12 minutes. So we're gonna cook that up. Let me open this Ninja air fryer. We're gonna stick it right in there. So it is in there, as you can see, ready to roll. There's only like 6 pieces in here, so that's what they look like. Click it in, and then we're gonna hit this button. Now it says to preheat it, but I'm just gonna hit the button and walk away. So 390. Now we can go higher on the temperature. I think we'll go at maybe we'll go at 390 and just do it a little bit longer. So to say 12 minutes, so probably going to be about 15 to finish this. So let's do this. And you hit this button. 20 minutes and countdown. All right, we'll be back, guys. Okay, so it just finished. We're gonna open this up. Ooh, check this out, guys. That is crispy. All right, let's check. Let me. It's still hot, so let me be right back. All right, so here it is, guys. I took it out of the thing. It is nice and crispy. See that? Crispy. Now it is hot. Let me see if I can break a piece off. It's hot. Okay, it is good. It definitely tastes better than I have it when I have it in the oven. So it does have all the flavor, but it's more crispier than when I have it in the oven. So definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.